fastest growing crime in America.
Alright, Sean, come here. You have to watch it, okay?
How safe your identity can be with LifeLock. That's not real.
How are you crazy?
Leading the way in identity theft protection, LifeLock helps to keep your personal information safe, even in the wrong hands.
I saved my husband from identity theft because I had signed us up for LifeLock. He'd been a little skeptical and wasn't really sure that we needed to
Watch it, you promised me.
be protected.
No, turn it off.
No, Sean,
No.
watch it. Please, please.
Dude, get off.
Months later, LifeLock stopped it.
No, please.
No.
Sean, you promised me.
I don't care, that's shit. I don't
Look,
care.
look,
It's
wait.
shit.
Wait, you're gonna miss it. Let's look at
Okay, turn it off.
No, Sean, look, this is a good part. Look what they did. Look.
I don't want
They're
it.
throwing up on each other.